When you search for color lights for sleeping, everything looks the same. Same claims, same photos. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Kinshin Night Light. First up is the Kinshin Night Light. Priced at just $9.99, this portable LED night light caught my eye with its soft, eye-caring glow. If you want a safe, fun light for your little ones or even for your own sleep environment, this is worth a serious look. This night light is made from toy-grade ABS and PC, so it's safe for anyone, including your kids. It features 8 color options, including warm white and vibrant hues, which can create a soothing atmosphere perfect for winding down. The adjustable brightness from 10% to 100% means you can set the mood just right, whether you want a dim glow for sleep or a brighter light for reading. Plus, the 1800 mAh rechargeable battery lasts between 24 to 160 hours depending on the brightness level you choose. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's easy to keep it by your bedside without worrying about plugging it in every night. Now, some people complained about the light being too small for larger rooms. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for a bedside or nursery, that size actually makes it perfect for personal spaces. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile night light that's safe for kids and creates a fun atmosphere. Skip this one if you need something for larger areas or high ceilings. For the price, it's a great value for a portable light that can go anywhere. Product number 2, GE Color Changing LED Night Light. Next up is the GE Color Changing LED Night Light, priced at $7.99. The sleek, minimalist design drew me in, and if you want a reliable night light that adapts to your surroundings, this is a solid choice. This night light features 8 vibrant colors to choose from, so you can easily match it to your mood. It also has a dusk-to-dawn sensor, meaning it automatically turns on when the sun sets and off at dawn. This saves you energy and hassle. The compact design is cool to the touch and UL certified, ensuring safety and reliability. Here's why this matters for you. You can place it in tight spots without blocking other outlets. However, some users mention that the light's brightness isn't adjustable. But let's be real. If you're looking for a simple, plug-and-play solution, this light does what it's supposed to without needing tweaks. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use night light that looks good in any room. Skip this one if you need a light with adjustable brightness. For under $8, you get a dependable option with good features. Product number 3, Door S-Shop 8-Color Night Light. The third product is the Door S-Shop 8-Color RGB LED Night Light, retailing for $17.99. What stood out to me was its multicolor functionality, making it perfect for those who love variety. If you want a night light with options, this one's definitely worth considering. The built-in light control sensor automatically turns the night light on at dusk and off at dawn, which is super convenient and energy efficient. It consumes just 0.5 W, so you can leave it on all night without worrying about your electricity bill. Here's why this matters for you. It's perfect for hallways or kids' rooms where you want a gentle glow without a jump in your energy costs. Some users found the light a bit too bright for their preferences. But here's the thing, it's designed to provide enough light for safety, which is often necessary in dark areas. This is perfect for you if you have kids who enjoy different colors or if you want something decorative. Skip this one if you prefer a simple, warm white light. With its features, it offers good value for a multifunctional night light. Product number 4, SUNNEST LED Color Changing Light Bulb. Fourth on the list is the SUNNEST LED Color Changing Light Bulb, priced at just $7.21. This caught my attention because it's not just a bulb, it's a mood setter. If you're looking for something that can transform your entire space, this is definitely worth a look. Whether you want a dim light for winding down or a bright light for activities, it's got you covered. The remote control feature and timer function are huge perks, allowing you to set it to turn off after a certain time, eliminating the need to get out of bed. Here's why this matters for you. It's super convenient for those cozy evenings when you don't want to get up. One downside some users faced is that the remote can be finicky. But honestly, once you get it set up, the variety and convenience it offers totally make up for it. This is perfect for you if you want customizable lighting options in your home. Skip this one if you're not into remote controls or need something simpler. At this price, it's a fantastic addition to any lighting setup. Product number 5, Kipkush White Noise Machine. Finally, we have the Kipkush White Noise Machine retailing at $26.98. This one really stood out to me because it combines light and sound, which is great for creating a calming sleep environment. If you want a multifunctional device for better sleep, this is a top contender. Plus, it has 8 color night lights that can be easily controlled with a tap, making it user-friendly in the dark. The auto shut-off feature after 8 hours is also a nice touch for those who want a full night's sleep without interruptions. Here's why this matters for you. It's like having a sleep sanctuary right in your bedroom. However, some reviews noted that it doesn't have a volume control for the sounds, which can be limiting. But let's be honest, most people find the preset sounds effective enough for sleep. This is perfect for you if you need both light and sound features to help you drift off. Skip this one if you want just a light or just a sound machine. For the price, it's a solid investment in your sleep quality. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic color lights for sleeping. From the Kinshin Night Light's portability to the Kipkush White Noise Machine's multifunctionality, there's something for everyone. Whether you need a simple light or a full-on sleep solution, these options can really enhance your nighttime routine.